Good morning, children, and a very, very happy new year. Okay, now we are in the month of January. Which month are we in? In the month of January. It's the first month of the year. And now, which year are we in? 2021. Which year are we in? 2021. 2020 is over. 31st December 2020 was the last day of 2020. Now we are in the year 2021. Okay. So now we are going to start with a new prayer. There is a Hindi prayer. I'm first going to read out the wordings. You all can try to sing it and send it to me. Okay. The Hindi prayer's name is Subah Savere. What is the Hindi prayer's name? Subah Savere. So it's called Subah Savere लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम. विद्या का वरदान तुम्ही से पाए हम. विद्या का वरदान तुम्ही से पाए हम. तुम्ही से है आगाज, तुम्ही से है, तुम्ही से अंजाम प्रभु. तुम्ही से है आगाज, तुम्ही से अंजाम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. ओके, सो इट विल गो लाइक दिस. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम. विद्या का वरदान तुम्ही से पाए हम. तुम्ही से है आगाज, तुम्ही से अंजाम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. Okay, first we'll only do this first paragraph. Okay, now we'll start with English work. So we have done this chapter, traffic rules, page number 63. Page number 63. Okay, I'm just going to revise this poem now. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, so you will again sing this poem and send it to me. After that, turn your page. Okay, now you need to learn these words. Okay, so we learn these words. First I'll write it on the board. You will write in your red and blue line book, and each word you will write 3 times. First word is watch. WATCH, watch. Street, STREET, street. Crossing, CROSSING, crossing. Then we have go, GO, go. Green, GREEN, green. Your, YOUR, your. Stop, STOP, stop. Red, RED, red. Ready, READY, ready. Then we have without, WITHOUT, without. Yellow, YELLOW, yellow. Use, USE, use. Then we have feet, FEET, feet. Walking, WALKING, walking. And rules, RULES, rules. So watch, street, crossing, go, green, your, stop, red, ready, without, yellow, use, feet, walking, and rules. Okay, you'll write these words in your red and blue line book 3 times. Take a picture, don't forget to write your name. After this, there are 2 words. You have to make as many words you can. Okay, so there is auto rickshaw and motorcycle. So what words can we make from auto rickshaw? Okay, it's a very big word. You can make many small words from this. So the words can be, I am giving only a few from this. One is auto, AUTO. Okay. Second, you can make TWO2. Third, you can make ROT, rot. Fourth, you can make RAT, rat. Fifth, you can make CAT, cat. Sixth, you can make HAT, hat. Seventh, you can make RAW, raw. Eighth, you can make TICK, tick. Okay. Ninth, you can make WHAT, watt. 10th, you can make COT, caught. ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स और बना सकते हो. ओके, बट इन योर रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन बुक यू विल राइट दीज 10 वर्ड्स. इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई और भी वर्ड सूझ रहा है और ध्यान में आ रहा है तो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो. दैट इज फॉर ऑटो रिक्शा. आफ्टर दिस द वर्ड इज मोटरसाइकिल. Motorcycle. Okay, so the first word is motor, second word is cycle, third word is LET, let, fourth word is MET, met, fifth word is, what can we make? Again, ROT, rot. Sixth word is ROOT, root. Seventh word is, what else can we make? YET, yet. Eighth word is MOTO, moto. Okay, and so there will be more words that we can make. Ninth word is COT, caught. And 10th word will be, what can we make? TOO2. These 10 words you will write in your red and blue line book. Okay, don't forget, you will write these 10 words in your red and blue line book. Take a picture and send. Okay, after this, the 5th point. What is the 5th point saying? Describe any vehicle of your choice in 2 or 3 lines. आप कोई भी vehicle जैसे कार, रिक्शा, टैक्सी, ट्रक, लॉरी, वो कोई भी vehicle के बारे में आप 2 लाइन बोलेंगे. 2 or 3 lines. You will take a video and send it to me. And these words you need to learn. So truck, tempo, bus, car, jeep, ship, plane, motorcycle, motorbike, tractor, bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, boat, train, bullock cart. You can make any 4 pictures out of this. कोई भी 4 pictures आप अपनी drawing book में बनाएंगे. Any 4. Divide the page into 4 parts. एक पेज को 4 parts में divide करिए और 4 different pictures, इसमें से कोई भी 4 different pictures आप draw कर सकते हो. And write the name of what you have drawn. Supposing अगर आपने बस ड्रॉ किया है तो नीचे आपको लिखना है बस, एंड वो पेज के ऊपर आपको नाम लिखना है. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर English work. This you will do in drawing book. Okay. Now you will come to this sheet. Okay. आपको ये वर्कशीट दी गई है, इसमें नीचे पेज नंबर 25 लिखा गया है. Okay. So what you have to do, match the capital letters to its pictures and picture to its small letter. मतलब ये कौन सा पिक्चर किसको मैच होएगा. Now what is this? F. F से flag, so you will match flag, और F से flag. Okay, so like this you will match. Finish the whole worksheet, write your name and send it to me. Turn the page. Turn the page. Okay. On the back side, I want you to draw something about road safety. You can draw traffic signal, you can draw zebra crossing, you can draw people crossing the road on zebra crossing. ऐसे में से कुछ भी draw कर सकते हो, but you have to draw on this sheet. After this, come to this sheet, count and write what comes before. Okay, here the page number is written 31. So what will come before? How many dolphins are here? 3. And how many will be there before 3? So 2. You will write the number 2. On the back side, you will finish this whole page. Okay. On the back side, here down also there is something. Write what comes before. So before 5, what will come? You have to write out here. On the back side, I want you to draw. Okay. Listen carefully. I want you to draw some pictures. For example, you will draw 4 flowers plus 4 flowers is equal to 8 flowers. ऐसे 4 drawings करेंगे आप. Okay, addition related drawings. So अगर आपने 4 flowers draw किया, पहले तो ये पेज को आप डिवाइड करेंगे 4 पार्ट्स में. Okay, so यहाँ पे अगर आपने flowers draw किए, तो यहाँ पे आप 8 flowers draw करेंगे. Plus okay, is equal to, then what will come out here? So you will write here 4 plus 4 is equal to dash. 20 तक हमने सीखा है, तो you can take any number which adds up to 20. Okay, and then you will draw your 8 flowers. Understood? So like this you will divide this page into 4 and draw 4 sums. Okay, take a picture of front and back and send it to me. That's your work for English and Maths worksheet. Now we'll do EVS. Come to page number 63. Page number 63. Fun with dots. It's a fun thing. Random dots बनाने हैं आपको एक पेज पे. जैसे ये 2 dots को join किया, so different shape. यहाँ पे जो different dots को join करके kite बनाया है, यहाँ पे भी ऐसे different dots join करके कुछ और बनाया है. So random dots ये पेज पे है, आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो इसमें से. यू कैन आइदर ड्रॉ अ बोट और एनीथिंग, लाइक यू कैन कनेक्ट द डॉट्स एंड ड्रॉ व्हाटएवर यू लाइक. ओके, देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट ऑन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. आपको जो पसंद है वो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ये इधर करने के बाद आप रैंडमली डॉट्स करिए अपने ड्राइंग बुक में. ओके, रैंडम डॉट्स थोड़े करके देन यू कैन ड्रॉ व्हाटएवर यू वांट इन दैट. You will get a fair idea of what I am telling you. Okay, you can draw, I don't know, maybe a traffic signal or anything you want. You can draw a bus, a car, anything you can draw. You can do it in your drawing book. Random dots draw करिए और वो dots को आप join करिए. Okay, try करिए कि dots आप दूसरे कलर से करें और join दूसरे कलर से करें, तो आपको उसका effect समझ में आएगा. Okay, that's all for EVS and that's all for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.